Would they like me? Would I be fine if they don't like me? Confidence is finding a way or make the way. Confidence is being proud of who you are. We all have our own unique view, and because of this, we should not be ashamed of how others see us. There is never competition between flowers. They are all next to each other and they just bloom. We are each same as flowers, all next to each other. Just bloom. The only choice you have is being strong. The only way to find out how strong you are is being strong. Being strong is a must because things will always get better. Hold on. People will love you, but people will hate you too. Hold on. Believe in yourself. This is self-confidence. Self-confidence is learned. You are not born with it. It may sound funny, but as funny as it sounds, it's magical. Ready to hear it? The best way to gain self-confidence is to do what you are afraid to do. This is so true, at least in my experiences. When nothing is 100% sure, that is when everything is possible. Be that possibility. One of the most important days of your life is to find out why you are born. This is success, this is confidence. Giving some love to ourselves and understand who we are and of course why. Look in the mirror and love the person you see. She or he has been through so much but is still standing. This should give you confidence. Speak to yourself. But be careful what you are saying because you are listening. Believe in yourself. Being real is not being perfect. Parts of you are awesome. It's being you in any kind of day. A bad day doesn't mean a bad life. It means opportunity. It means challenge. It means growth. Calm mind means good health. Calm mind means confidence, and confidence is beautiful. You are so beautiful. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below this video why you believe you are beautiful. Start your comment with I am beautiful because. Make sure to read my comments too. See ya!